Hello, I'm Rhonda Porter. Thank you for joining me for the last edition of the Mortgage Porter for 2025. Optal Blue reports the average rate for a 30-year fixed as of last Friday, December 26, was 6.145%. The 30-year rate started 2025 at 6.876%. So this is a nice improvement that we've seen over the year. The high point was 6.924 on May 22nd, according to Optal Blue. But please do remember that this Optimal Blue Index is an average from about 35% of mortgage transactions or lenders who use Optimal Blue when they go in to lock or price out an interest rate. And you can't lock in last Friday's rates today, and we need to remember that we also don't know how these rates are being priced as far as how many points are being paid, what somebody's credit scores are, and the loan to value and other factors that impact how rates are priced. So if you would like to have current rates based off of your personal financial scenario, please reach out to me. I'm happy to do that for you. This morning, pending home sales for November came in much stronger than expected. In fact, it came in at their highest level in 3 years. So this is great news for the real estate market. On Wednesday, markets will close early, and on Thursday, markets will remain closed for the New Year holiday. The next Fed meeting will be at the end of January, and current odds are very unlikely that we'll see a Fed's rate cut. It's around 11 a.m. as I prepare this for you, and mortgage-backed securities are up about 6 basis points, and you can see we've had a nice trend of mortgage rates improving, and hopefully this continues. Organizations like the Mortgage Bankers Association, Fannie Mae, the National Association of Realtors, and Zillow are all publishing outlooks for 2026. You're probably seeing a lot from other lenders and realtors as well. And while they don't all agree on every detail, there's a general theme that's going on. Most expect rates to stay in the low to mid 6% range, with gradual improvement possible later in the year. Fannie Mae, I almost put in 5.9% for their rate predictions. That's where they think rates will be in the last quarter of 2026. Home buying in 2026 may be less about waiting, though, for the perfect rate and more about preparation, having a strong pre-approval, knowing if you need to negotiate seller concessions or if you're considering a rate buy down, and choosing the right loan structure. And if you bought a home in 2024 or 2025, it's possible that you may be in a position to refinance. And if you want to see if it actually makes sense to do that or not, contact me. I'm happy to run numbers for you to see what might make sense, and which could include waiting as well. And if you're planning on making a move in 2026, the best strategy is flexibility. Focus on what you can control and be ready to act if opportunities open up. If you want to run numbers or talk about options, I'm always happy to help. And we'll see how these rates compare at the end of next year. Our next homebuyer workshop will be Wednesday, January 21st from noon to 1 p.m. We're going to review different mortgage programs available for homebuyers with a focus on first-time homebuyers, as well as strategies to help create affordability. You do need to register at mortgageporter.com and click the Classes and Workshops tab at the top of my page. This is in a webinar format, so you don't need to be on camera, and you won't be on camera. And you can enjoy your lunch during the workshop and learn hopefully a lot about different mortgage programs. Also, I'm going to start releasing the previous recordings of earlier workshops, so watch for an announcement at mortgageporter.com. Thank you for your support and being part of the Mortgage Porter community. I hope you and yours have a wonderful new year. And if I can ever be of assistance to you or anyone you know with a mortgage need, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to help. Happy New Year.